Mas Monumenta for her right now.
How long until she's back on her feet?
Well, Mr. Chapman, there's something you need to understand. The injuries your sister suffered were very extensive, including severe head trauma. It's going to be a long, slow process for her to get back to functioning by herself. We're talking about a matter of years.
Hi, coffee? Black, please?
Whiskey neat, make it a double.
It's 9 in the morning.
Yeah, you're right. Excuse me. Make that a single.
Right. Look, John. You saved dozens of kids from hell.
It's funny, I thought I'd feel better once I got these guys. But seeing Cindy like that today, man.
Stop. You can't think like that. You're gonna destroy yourself. Uncle Manny gives you something else to destroy. See, me and some of the higher-ups at the State Department, we're always thinking, man, wouldn't it be nice to have someone to get the job done when no one else can?
You know what the CIA is for?
Look, they're play school. If you're in China and the Middle East, trying to run anything through that bureaucracy, forget about it. Thank you. Well, I'm thinking about something a little less official.
My head's still messed up.
But there is also one other thing you have to consider. Cindy's condition. Those medical bills are going to pile up for years to come.
What are you getting at?
Look, she doesn't have any insurance. I've been running those bills to the embassy. How long do you think that's going to last? However, if she were a dependent of a government agent, well, that's a whole different ballgame.
So you're saying if I take the job, you'll make sure Cindy's taken care of?
Mm-hmm.
But what if I don't?
There's only so much I can do.
When do I start?
You already did. It's your old call sign.
No,